A very good morning to everyone. First of all, I am very thankful to our Secretary Sir, DCO Sir and Principal Sir giving this opportunity. My dear students, you are all promoted to 6th class to 7th class. I am very congrats to all. I am very happy to invite to 7th class. Children, this is our 7th class social textbook. Okay, so now come to the content. This is the content of the academic year. Okay children, now come to the topic of the lesson. What is this children? Yes, this is a map. Yes, so our lesson name is reading maps of different kinds. What is our lesson name? Reading maps of different kinds. Yes children, already we learned in the 6th class what is a map, what are the features of map, what are the types of maps. You learn in the 6th class. You know very well what is a map. A map is a representation or a drawing of the whole earth or part of the earth surface on the flat surface. Okay, so what are the kinds of maps? Yes, there are two kinds of maps. They are mainly political maps and physical maps. What are political maps? Political maps are the maps which shows countries, boundaries, states and capitals. Those are the political maps. Physical maps tells us about the surroundings, physical features of the earth, whether they are the forests, deserts and snow covered places. They will tell those maps. And we have some features of the map. What are the important features? They are the directions, symbols and scale. Okay children, why is there so much variation? How does this affect these lives of people who live in these parts? To study and understand these questions, we need to take the help of maps of different kinds. Some of tells us about how high or low the places are. Some tells about how much it rains, they are hot or cold, it gets there. Some tell us about crops that grow there or the kinds of forests there are. By studying them, we can know much about the place. Okay children, so now let us come to the important features of your map. So what is the direction? So the general position of a person or thing, this moves towards. Scale. Scale is, what is scale? The size or extent of something else. What are conventional symbols? Some common symbols used in the maps are known as the conventional symbol. So let us see here a political map of India. Look at the map carefully. Once I will explain the directions. So, see, any map, the top of the map shows always north. The bottom of the map always shows south. The right side of the map shows always east. The left side of the map always shows west. So, these are the main directions. We have some sub-directions. So, what are those? They are between north and east, we have northeast. Between south and east, we have, this is southeast. Between south and west, that is a southwest. And between north and west, that is a northwest. So, children, look at the map carefully and answer the following questions. See here, see. So, there is a Krishna Reddy went to Bhopal from Hyderabad. In which direction did he travel? Yes, you are right. He travels to northwards. So, now come to the next. Ashok went to Chennai from Lucknow. In which direction did he travel? Yes, you are right. He travels southwards. C. Come to the C. Resina went to Bhubaneswar from Mumbai. In which direction did she travel? Yes, she travels eastwards. Verupuchi went to Jaipur from Kohima. In which direction did he travel? Yes, she travels westwards. Okay. Now see, what is situated to the east of Andhra Pradesh? Yes, there is a Bay of Bengal on the east of Andhra Pradesh. See here some other questions. Look at the symbols shown on the map. Now try to find out a boundary of Andhra Pradesh. Trace your finger along with the boundary. So Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Odisha are to the north of the Andhra Pradesh. Tamil Nadu is situated to the south of Andhra Pradesh. Karnataka is situated to the west of Andhra Pradesh. Yes, you know very well. Bay of Bengal is situated on the east of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, good. So now come to the symbols. See, you know symbols. So these are the dots, line, area symbols. So draw the symbol for boundary of state and a symbol for boundary of India in your notebook. The boundary of state in the shown in light blue. The boundary of India shown with dark line. So can you make a list of states which lie to the north, south, east of Andhra Pradesh? Yes. So what lies to the east of the state? So north we have Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Odisha. South we have Tamil Nadu. West we have Karnataka. As usual, east we have Bay of Bengal. So already we learned in the 6th class scale. Will you show on the map exact distance on the map? No, we can't show because we can't show. So because that's why we are using scale, reducing the distance on the map. So the relation between the distance on the map and corresponding distance on ground shown with the help of scale. So for example, 1 centimeter equal to 200 kilometers. The distance between Hyderabad and Jaipur is 6 centimeters. So 6 centimeters into 200 kilometers equal to 1200 kilometers. The distance between Hyderabad and Impal is 9 centimeters. So 9 into 200 kilometers equal to 18 kilometers. The distance is 18 kilometers. 1800 kilometers, sorry. The distance between Hyderabad and Gandhinagar is 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeters into 200 kilometers equal to 1000 kilometers. Okay. So the distance between Hyderabad and Thiruvananthapuram is 5.5 centimeters. 5.5 centimeters into 200 kilometers equal to 1100 kilometers. So we have to find like that. Now come to the symbols. Few. See, for example, point symbol. Say some examples of point symbol. Yes, Delhi, Hyderabad and Chennai. Line symbols. Yes, Godavari, state boundary, railroad. We can show on line symbol. So area symbols. What are the area symbols? Post office. PS, post office. RH, rest house. Forest, desert. So all these are the area symbols. Okay children, did you understand? So these are so this is the political map of India, no? So every student must recite, must know the symbols, states and capitals of our country. See, first of children, I would like to say alphabetical wise in states and capitals. See, for example, here Andhra Pradesh. What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panaji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar, Jammu. Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, Tirunanthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, West Bengal, Kolkata. So, these are the states and capitals. Okay, children. So, now up to now we learn states and capitals. You must, everybody should know states and capitals. Okay, children. Once I will revise what we learned up to now. Okay. Now, what is a map? Yes. A map is a representation or a drawing of the total or a part of the earth's surface drawn on a flat surface according to a scale. So that is a map. And also we learn in this session different kinds of maps. What are the different kinds of maps? Political maps and physical maps. In this session we learn about political maps. So political maps are shown to the boundaries of the state or boundaries of the country. We know to the political maps. So in political maps already you know about the directions, and also we know the states and capitals. So children, what is your homework? Your homework is you should write states and capitals of our country, and also you try to draw the India map. Understand? So that is the homework. Okay children, from next class we have to read about the physical maps. Okay children, thank you.